burning desire, let us cross our hands one upon the other, and receive into them the body of the crucified one. And after touching it with our eyes, our lips, and our foreheads, let us partake of the divine coal. Thus the fire of our love will be ignited by the divine coal, and burn up our sins and illumine our hearts. And through participation in the divine fire, we shall catch on fire and be deified. St. John Damascus. When you are about to draw near to this divine and terrible table in this sacred mystagogy, you should draw near with fear and trembling, with a pure conscience, with fasting and prayer, and without making any noise. Tell me, man, why are you agitated? Why are you in a hurry? Are you under pressure from the need to get on with your work? At that moment, can it even cross your mind that you have work to do? Is it not the sign of a heart of stone that at the moment you think you are standing on earth rather than being a part of a choir of angels? St. John Chrysostom. As one can see, the Divine Liturgy holds a very high place in the heart of the Orthodox Christian. With all of its beauty and splendor, it elevates the soul from the world to the heavenly realm.